Lean coffees are structured meetings, but without an agenda. They're a chance to discuss topics you'd like to talk about and for everyone to learn something new. They're part of Campus Digidol, CDPS's digital training programme, and are free for people in organisations delivering public services devolved to Wales. They're 50 minutes in length, and the format's very simple. This is intentional. It's meant to be the least structure necessary for a clear and productive session. No more, no less. First thing we do is invite people to join our Lean Coffee digital whiteboard so we can start to gather the topics people would like to discuss in that week. Next, we populate it. People grab their virtual post-its and start to add their topics for conversation. These can be literally whatever people want to discuss or to follow a specific theme. At this point, we want to encourage as many unique topics for conversation as we can. When the time's up, we vote. Each participant gets to vote on the topic that they're interested in. We then tally up the virtual dots and rank those in order of priority. The power here is that you now have a list of topics everyone at the table is interested in and motivated to discuss. We put a time against each topic and move them to the done discussing column once we're finished. At the end, we ask people to list their main takeaways and make sure we capture all the relevant tasks during the discussion. It really is that simple and fun. If you're interested in joining our next Lean Coffee session, then please visit our website for further details. We look forward to seeing you there.